A few dollars and cents here and there can add up to a big leak in your household budget.
Banks large and small can charge a variety of fees. In today's Money Savers Report, Shannon Slatton shares what fees may be sending your cash right down the money drain.
A new report outranks Minnesota as number 14 in a list of states with affordable banking. This means it's very average in terms of the return on your savings accounts and the cost of fees. But every penny can add up, and here's what you should look for.
In the last few years, the regulatory environment changed with Dodd-Frank, and a lot of banks aren't making some of the same fees they were in different areas, so they've added these minimum fees.
One of the most common fees is on your checking account. If you don't have a minimum balance, you could be charged $10 to $15 a month.
What my recommendation is to look for, one, make sure you stay above the minimum.
If you can't do that, look for a bank that offers truly free checking, or try a credit union that might offer a lower minimum balance requirement.
Overdraft fees can kill your financial plan quickly.
The cost of overdrawing your account can also be a costly one. Overdraft fees continue to rise, with the average now being more than $30 per transaction.
If we use our debit card for a $2 purchase or coffee at Starbucks, you might find out that you spent 10 times more in terms of overdraft charges.
Then, pesky ATM fees. Sometimes grabbing quick cash at an ATM in a gas station requires a fee from the ATM and again from your bank.
So that 20 bucks you took out might have cost you $5. And if we're thinking of that like a financial decision, that's a pretty terrible interest rate.
The solution? Shop around for a bank with a network that fits your needs. Next, check your savings account. Interest rates are very low now, so you might consider switching to an online brokerage account for a better return. It keeps you from spending money right away, pays a higher interest rate, and
third, and I think importantly, you have access to easily invest from those accounts at the click of a button, where you can maybe find some better places to park your money while still keeping it pretty easily accessible.
And finally, if you still write checks, be careful how much you spend on those. If you pay through your bank, you can pay $25 to $40. You can order them online, though, for $10.
Yeah.
So that adds up.
It does. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Shannon.